morning, my loves. Today we're gonna be creating the Sabrina concert dress. Let's do it. It is 4:30 right now. We're gonna attempt to do this in a day. Okay, we're starting at my desk. First things first, we need a design. All right, got the streamer set up right here. So here's the inspo board. This whole board, by the way, a little sneak peek, I show in my winter mix video. So check that out if you want to see what my plans until the end of March are. But yeah, we're starting with Sabrina's dress.
The idea for this was to have some puffy sleeves. I wanna draft my own baby doll type of color and embroider a kiss with red sequins on the left side. I did two versions, one with, one without flowers, but I like more the one with like 2 tiers, I think. And I might add 2 layers on the second tier so I can add some lace.
Oh my god, baby. I can't work in these conditions. Let's see. Okay, you don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, all right. I'm trying to very roughly gather it here. Okay, what's gonna be good to know is this is more or less same height as me, I think. So where do I want this to sit? I think I'm just gonna cut straight across. I mean, I have a good width, so I think I could try to do at least half a circle. So half a circle here, half a circle on the other side. Boom. Look how pretty that is in the light. Oh, it looks like water. Gosh, organza is pretty. Okay, excuse this light. Now, it's way bigger than the neck, but that means we can gather it up and it will look hella cute. Okay, I got a little cheat sheet here. I got it from a sewing machine store because I bought a whole bunch of needles here last year when I sewed my sister-in-law's wedding dress. I wish I had a YouTube channel then. And I'm not sure what organza needs for a needle, so let's see. Organza, universal needle, the microtex needle, 6070. I mean, I have the universal, but I also have the microtex, so I might as well. So what I do is unscrew this. If you've never changed the needle, you should, first of all. Especially if you've had the one you've had for a very long time. And I'm gonna put this one over here. All right, so I do have a whole bunch of little bits from like a past project that of course I'm hoarding. But now this is gonna be perfect to draft our color. To draft our color. I pinned it in place and I am gonna mark the side seam. And since this is kind of already including seam allowance, I actually want it to go a bit deeper, right? Not so deep up here, well, kind of like that. Yeah, it's not transferring much, no? Yeah, okay, that's fine. And now I'm just gonna draw the shape that I want, actually. So, since I'm not gonna put any trim in here, I can actually try to make them match here in the middle. Let's go big first, and then we can always trim back. Has to be enough to fit the embroidered kiss also, so. Might have to round this a bit more. Yeah, that's better. This is kind of what we're going for, right? I think this could be enough to fit the kiss, right? Yeah. We need to mark where the two fabrics meet right here. Do I curve it in the back as well? I feel like I wanna curve it in the back as well. Yeah, let's do that. So a smaller one, right? We just want the shape, but I don't want it to be too overbearing. So I finished the French seam. It is my first French seam, so please be nice. I think it turned out pretty good. It's a bit past 5:30, and now I'm gonna proceed to use this sequence to make the kiss in one of them. So I want to do it on my left side because the left side is my good side. That took so long. Oh my god. I am happy with how it's looking. I mean, it's not perfect, but it sort of resembles a kiss shape. So now what I have to do is sew on the color. So it is 9 p.m. and I was doing this thing and then realized bias binding exists, and so I decided to finish off this edge with it. Let me see if I can, yeah. I also finished the seams here at the shoulders, and I didn't record because at this point we're just degenerated into trying to get this done because I have to work tomorrow, so I don't know what I'm gonna do here with the sleeves. I guess I could try shaping them now a little bit, cutting a little bit of here. I really need to press this as well, but I guess we could try drafting the sleeves now. I guess so. My back hurts, everything hurts. God damn, I should have gotten up earlier. Ah. All right, team, here's the TLDR. I was delusional to think I could do it in one day. It's actually gonna be 24 hours, and I realized this around midnight of the first day. And I did it on a Sunday, because Saturday, the fabric came too late. So now it's Saturday of the next weekend, because I have a job, and we're finishing this. I did this for 14 hours the first day, so now I have 10 hours. And it is 10:30 again, so I have a coffee, I'm ready, let's do this. All right, so this is how it's looking right now. As you can see, we have one tier and the sleeves are already there. We have the collar, and I finished it with some satin bias binding, and I finished sewing all the sequins for the kiss. I think it's alright. I mean, I will be honest, the sleeves turned out to be way too narrow, and now in retrospective it makes absolute sense with the numbers I was talking about. But again, I had been sewing for like almost 10 hours straight at that point, and yeah, my brain probably didn't work anymore. So the plan of attack for today is putting some elastic here and hoping for the best, and adding the ruffles, the 1 or 2 tiers alongside this.
I'm done. Cut the show. I'm done.
Okay, so I cut the 2 tubes, one in organza, one in lace, and I did some French seams to create a cylinder, and then I did finish the hem in both of them, and I also did a run-in baste stitch with the machine along both of them. And now what I need to do is gather. I did cut this more to the length that I wanted it to, and now I can gather and put the 2 layers of this and hopefully sew it in. And yeah, I should have done 2 rows of basting stitches, but after having done the hems on like 8 meters of fabric plus 8 meters of the basting stitch in one, I was done. My sanity was on the line, and I had to choose. And I chose my sanity over 2 rows of basting stitches. So yeah, let's gather this and see how it looks. I wonder how it looks with the lace. I honestly have no idea. It's all in here, and so until we pin it, I won't know if I like it or I absolutely hate it. So we'll see.